What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KG_HIS back again with a new banger, man. So I know I've been going for so long. I've been posting real, but I've been post like a video, like a content. You feel me? So you're probably wondering where I've been, or it's been a little busy year around for me, but it's cool though. That's why I got you today with this video, man. So today's video we're gonna be trolling people and we want to see that reaction and just try to get that reaction out of that. But it's almost summertime, man, so y'all know what I mean. It's a lot of content going to be coming up, man. All thanks to God. We're just praying to God to be healthy and keep it pushing, man. I can't lie, you make sure you're sub. Like I said, my goal of 2026 is hit. Get 1K subscriber, man. We're almost to 300. I see y'all been going crazy on that subscribing. Keep doing your thing, man. God love you. Like I always say, I love you, man. Y'all keep subbing. Hit that noti, hit everything you can, man. And share the video too, man. Your boy out. Make sure you enjoy the video. Grab your popcorn. Let's get it. Thank you.
It was at this moment.
Thank you.
What was that for?
Huh?
Why did you just do that?
What? What did I do?
Why did you put your phone up against mine?
I don't know.
Why
What
did
happened?
you just say thank you?
I did?
You reached over like this near my phone and your phone clicked. Why did you do that?
Did it make sound? I thought you just get my contact, because usually when you make that sound, you're getting someone contact.
I didn't reach next to you. You came down that way and
I was
went
just
like
passing
this.
like this, and then my phone connect with your phone.
That's kind of sus.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you bad. That was wrong.
I'm just trying.
What's it for? Huh?
It's nothing.
What's that thing?
It's nothing.
Nothing what?
Nothing. Thank you, though. Thank you. You hear that sound? Thank you.
Huh?
The sound. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see? You have to be careful.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
You have to be ready.
Thank you.
You have to count your days.
Huh? Come on, days. Thank you. You good? Huh? Huh?
Okay?
Yeah, I work here.
The car out, the one that is so far, this one say using. It's not expired, like 28.
Thank you.
What's that?
Huh?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's nothing.
What do you do?
It's nothing.
Hey, stop.
I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you.
Tell me.
It's nothing.
Smash you up.
Huh?
What he did?
It's nothing.
Don't try to call police on you right now. I'm not playing with you.
It's a prank.
Stop playing with me.
It's just a YouTube video.
Bruh, look at this dude.
It's a prank.
Don't mess with me. What is Hey, you.
Oh my god. No,
Look at the top of his head.
no, it's a video play. Oh my god. You're good. Oh my god. You better start recording. Oh my god.
doing?
Thank you.
Why?
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Thank you. It's nothing. Thank you. Let me. Do your phone like this.
Is that what? No, let me see what you're trying to do. What are you trying to do? Huh? How does it work?
I just get money. Thank you for the money. Bro, check your account. Excuse me, man. I'm a photographer. I take pictures, and I was just wondering what would you rate my picture?
It's pretty.
Stop the cap.
I just start doing it too.
That one is very, I don't know how to express it. I mean, pretty doesn't sound right.
Huh?
It's very nice.
It's nice.
Very sweet. Or
You think I should keep it up? I'm just
very meaningful looking.
What do
meaningful
you mean by that?
looking. All right. What about this last one?
Oh. Well, it's touching.
Huh?
It's touching. All right. Thank you, man. Excuse me, man. I'm a photographer. I take pictures, and I was just wondering what would you rate my picture?
It's pretty.
Stop the cap.
I just start doing it too.
That one is very, I don't know how to express it. I mean, pretty doesn't sound right.
Huh?
It's very nice.
It's nice.
Very sweet. Or
You think I should keep it up? I'm just
very meaningful looking.
What do
meaningful
you mean by that?
looking. All right. What about this last one?
Oh. Well, it's touching.
Huh?
It's touching. All right. Thank you, man. Thank They can see the light? All right. Cool. Excuse me, man. I'm a photographer. I take pictures, and I was just wondering what would you rate my picture?
It's pretty.
Yeah. I just start doing it too.
That one is very, I don't know how to express it. I mean, pretty doesn't sound right. It's very nice. Very
It's nice.
Very sweet. Or
You think I should keep it up? I'm just
very meaningful looking.
meaningful looking. All right. What about this last one?
Oh. Well, it's touching.
It's touching. All right. Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
No.
Hey, man, I took a picture from my friend. How would you rate that?
It's nice.
You sure?
Yep.
Yeah, he just got engaged.
Yeah, you got them both looking.
Looking good. I'm a photographer. I just start doing it too. Yeah. You like it?
Yep.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. You know where I found this?
Pets?
Nah,
man?
it's a toy.
Toy?
Yeah.
Oh, so is that goes this way?
What about this one?
I have no idea, but I checked over there.
You sure?
Huh?
You work here though,
I'm working in here, but I'm not working the toy police.
so you don't know what this are? You can't check on your phone, on your device?
Huh?
You can't check
My
on.
phone is died.
Oh,